Hi, my name is Ruth Marie Olivia and I'm the soparista from Austria. And this is my little dog, Lila. She loves to sit behind me when I'm talking to the video camera. In this video I wanted to show you a perfect Halloween swirl soap, but something went wrong with my fragrance oil. I will show you everything what happened in the following video, but first of all, the most important point for me is to tell you that this kind of fragrance oil really destroyed my illusion of the perfect Halloween soap. And so I wasn't very happy, and you might realize it between the video, maybe not, maybe yes. That's the true story. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Oh, I forget to tell you the name of the technique. It is a circle feather swirl. I don't know if the name is exactly what I am doing, but I watched other YouTube videos and realized that they name it circle feather swirl. So I did this as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. happens if your soap butter thickens up too early. I hate this, but now it's too late to hate. So I put the soap out of these little small containers, bottles, and try to make, there's pretty much soap left here in here, so I try to make us in the pot swirl, but the soap butter thickens up far too fast. There might be a changing in the recipe of the fragrance oil, I don't know. A few months ago this happened. So this is the finished soap. Pretty, but far too thin. So I'm gonna show you what I will do with this Halloween type of soap. I will cut it into pieces and will use it for another soap. And I'm gonna show you this in another video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.